everybody, I just got home from work and I wanted to share something really quick with you. We have this laundry detergent called Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent, and obviously we use it for laundry, and people have been suggesting other uses for it, make a paste for cleaning different things and whatever, and I just looked at them and I'm like, oh, that's great. I have not had any problems with whatever, and I didn't think of it. And so this morning I was taking care of some of my Norwex cloths with the Ultra Power Plus detergent just in the sink, and I must have dropped some into my cup. I drink tea in the morning, and this beautiful porcelain cups that I use, they get really stained. And anyway, I didn't think anything of it, and there was a small amount of water in the bottom, and I must have dropped some UPP into it. So when I got home, I looked at it, and I don't know if you can see that, but let's see if you can. See in the very bottom how clean that is? And then you see that line around, and then you see all the tea stains. That's where the water was with the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent in it. So I thought, wow, our cleaning products are so versatile and so amazing. They clean all kinds of things, even things that they're not really meant for initially. And again, clean, non-toxic, and healthy for your home and for your body. So, I mean, obviously you're not gonna eat the UPP, but the point is it's non-toxic chemicals that we're using in our products. So anyway, I thought that would be interesting for everybody to see, and the cleaning power of Norwex never ends. So it just sat there today, and the UPP cleaned the stains out of my cup. So I'll leave it full tomorrow. All right, have a great day. Bye.